So big! So big! So big!
What can the matter
That's Daddy's nose.
dear? What can the matter be? Who's had too much to eat? All the livelong day, Pooh's helped build the railroad to be a friend today.
Abby, are you so big?
Went up the water spout,
Abby, where's your belly?
down came the rain and washed
There's your belly.
Down came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went down the spout again. Hey, Punker, give me 10. Give me 5. 10. Oh, how about 5? Oh, how about this 5?